What's up, guys? We're here, Mr. Shane and I guess we're actually gonna work on this
We're
thing.
gonna touch this car today.
I don't want to, but
So I'll touch it today.
let these guys know what we're doing today.
We're gonna finally pull the fuel injectors. It's a 4-cylinder, but it runs 12.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
12 2600s. And it's been sitting since World Cup, which is what, about almost 2 months?
What do you run for fuel in this again?
It's got the methanol.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take those out and clean them. We already drained the fuel system like right after World Cup. I want to say like a couple weeks after, and it's been sitting. So, you know, we're gonna clean these injectors,
Yep.
store them, just have it all ready to go. You know, I don't know. Might retire this season. The old girl might leave her, but I mean it'll fire up right now, ready to rip. It's got a new one of them new starters in there. Yeah, but once we clean it, we could do it.
I want to clean it again.
Yeah.
How much work are we doing today?
Also, I wanted to kind of touch base on the blue Evo that I got. Finally came in, I think, I don't know. It actually came in on the day of our Christmas party. We were in a rush, but it showed up. The good and the bad. The good is it's clean as hell. It has 70,000 miles on it. I think it's like 2 or 3 owners, maybe 4 owners. Interior is super clean, body super clean. But the bad needs an engine. So we're gonna rip this thing out once we're done with Shayne's car. And yeah, we got a brand new block for it because we don't want to chance any bullshit. So I got a brand new bare block.
From where?
From Mitsubishi.
No way.
Yither. We're gonna get this over to Uncle Wraith at RRT. We're gonna build something. Now, as far as what I'm going to do, I'm not sure. I told Wraith yesterday that I wanted to do like a 1,000 horsepower build, so that way, no matter what I feel like throwing at it, it'll handle. I'm leaning towards an Apex 6466. Right now, it has an FP black. I'm probably gonna sell this if anybody wants it. FP manifold, FP black. You can have the tailgate, you can have all that. I might just sell all the piping with it. Whatever you guys want, downpipe, whatever, let me know. I'll probably off this for like $2,000 shipped. It also has these knockoff TEs. I don't even know what they are, but those are for sale because I don't want those on this thing. Maybe like $1,000, has fairly new tires on it. Whoever wants it, shoot me a message. And yeah, so that's that one. This one, we decided we're gonna sell. So everybody that's been DMing me, messaging me, constantly asking about this thing, it is for sale. Reach out and I will tell you the price. Quick rundown. EVO 8, clean, no rust, clean title in hand, full interior, dual map, stock ECU. It's tuned on pump gas and ethanol. On pump gas, I don't know what the numbers are, but on ethanol, it probably makes around 650 to 700. It is an FP0, fully built by RRT. Yeehaw, yeehaw. What more can you ask for? Everything's there. Carbon fiber, carbon trunk, full suspension, has D2 coils with Swift springs. Those are real works wheels. Skunk Sue manifold. Looks like an ETS kit. Twin disc, clutch, 2150 injectors, has a twin pumper in there. Yeah, really, really nice car. Runs, drives excellent. Love it. Don't want to get rid of it, but since I found the Blue Bayou with low miles, super clean, I decided to keep this one instead, fully build this one to the way I want it. And yeah, so that means the pumpkin spice is available. Yep. Good job, Shane. You got the injectors out the top there.
You did it.
Next,
We don't go up.
the bottom set, which is a giant pain in the ass.
Because you're hiding fuller underneath. Sneaky boy. See.
You know what you're doing, man?
Nope.
Bum. Who's that guy?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Sean. How you doing, brother?
Good, good, good. You guys, are you at the shop? Is someone there?
We are here, buddy.
Cool, cool. I'm gonna head out in about 5 minutes. I'm getting a little busy, so I have to take care of that.
While we're waiting for Shane to figure out his life over there on the Wild Evo, just wanted to point this out. This is like a scene from Fast and Furious with all the parts laid out. Shaynes EVO 10 explosion over here. We're actually, that was Sean. He was just on the phone. He's delivering Shane's new long block. So we're probably going to get that in today. And when I say we, I mean Shane, because I'm still kind of down for the count. My back is broken. I can't do much. So
we're going to team work it.
I'm going to keep working the camera.
And I'm going to keep team working it.
And Shane's going to just keep doing nothing. First batch of 4 in the ultrasonic. Making all kinds of noise. Hit it. Ooh.
Look at that flow.
Turn it up. Turn it up. Crank that bitch. Oh, yeah. The 2600 love the pressure. Max that bitch out.
I don't know if it has any more.
That's it. Let it roll. This is a little weak.
Got a lazy guy.
We're also packing some orders here for the giveaway. You guys are doing great. Let me go up a little bit more here. You guys are doing great. Live with your legs. Special delivery. All right.
That's terrible.
As Miss Rachel would say, what's in the box? Open that thing up. It's just taped.
No.
No? Oh, man. What's in there? Careful now.
I don't want to break it.
Careful now. I got an open engine behind you. Now, do they consider this one of them crate engines?
Is this from Jags?
Yep.
Summit Racing?
All right. You're ready. New flywheel on.
Yes. We're doing it.
Time for the clutchy. Ooh. That's a nice alignment right there. EVO twin installed.
Yeah.
Transmission installed. All right. Manifold on, turbo's on. All that's plumbed. Intake manifold is on. Pulley brackets on. Time to go in.
Find the wrong shirt, man.
You're all right. New motor in.
We are.
Getting the subframe back in.
Subaroonie.
Is that lined up? Almost. Oh, what's in there? Oh, what's in there, man?
I don't know, man.
So we got the motor in. We got all the wiring hooked back up. ECU's back in. Distribution box back in. Subframe is back in. Steering is attached. Now we just gotta do all this other fun stuff. So this, like I said in the original video, we're not just doing, well, this kind of snowballed. We were only supposed to do timing, and then obviously we did a motor. Shane has a bunch of other parts that he's gonna install, one of them being coilovers. We have to do the full fuel system on this thing.
Pads, rotors. It's a lot.
Yeah, all because what?
Well, I wanted it to just be a cool street car, and then it ended up wanting a motor name.
No, it's all because in 2001 you watched a movie that changed your entire life.
Y'all know the green car, man.
Some of the goodies that he's going to be installing is the Bulletproof Racing drop-in fuel sender kit. Pretty sick. I think this thing's good for over 1,000 horsepower. I don't know. Fancy stuff. So we got to do that. We have a flex fuel kit that we got to install. Grim speed boost control setup that we got to install. Catch can setup. This looks to me like a fuel filter setup. Obviously he's going to be on the 85. bunch of radium things in here. We already installed all that good stuff. We still got to put the rail on. You didn't really see it because Shane kind of caught me off guard with it, but
What?
it required some
wiring.
some connectors being crimped on there, which I did that for the guy. So if it doesn't work, you can blame me.
If it never runs again,
Blame me. That's
you know
fine.
who to blame.
Yeah. So, yeah, dude, you're crushing it.
I'm doing something.
Guy's fucking jacked, dude.
Yeah. Freaking jacked.
Suspension?
Yeah, we're gonna get the suspension all dialed
Are
in.
those
but,
the Bluetooth brakes?
right now, yeah.
Those are the same ones that were in that movie that we were talking about.
The Bluetooth
These are the
ones.
same brakes. No shit.
We ain't got no brakes. Don't need brakes where I'm going, buddy. Christian,
The
tell us what's going on,
injectors.
man.
Injectors going in.
Some injecto.
Ejecto seat, cuz.
Man, I love this button.
Da 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 dee dee da dee da. You got that cursor bean yet there, Jim?
See if it's a 6. That the guy? Da dee dee da dee da dee dee. Dee da dee dee da na 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 na. Be my brother. Might have to take it out and put that split on the other side of the bolt. See it? They gave this fitting, but they didn't give anything for it to go to. It shows it on the end of the rail.
So maybe that goes in there.
Look at the little air fitting for the regulator.
Yeah, I saw that.
This is so stupid. Take this back off.
You know, flop it the other way.
There's that one too. All right, so radiant fuel rail is in, regulator, all that. We plumbed this to the bottom of the car, to the filter. It's kind of down there. You can't really see it, but it is. You see the shiny part down there? That's that. We ran the lines all the way to the tank. So next up, we got to get the fuel pump in,
Just got to get the double pumper
plugged in, wired.
wired in, yeah, and finish the map catch can setup. Upper the intake, upper intercooler pipe.
That's it.
some
Ready
fluids,
to
fire it up.
start.
I'm ready. Hope you guys are.